What? You late?
It's just that it's my son's birthday. I need to send this remembrance to my wife.
Did I come where we were taking?
Took time to find the words.
Oh,
You are lucky. Lucky's the boss.
River ice is gonna break up any minute. That dog is trying to help you keep your life.
how?
Maybe we just leave the dog.
Boss!